Welcome back viewers to the Technical MA channel, and in this video we will continue our previous video how to make design in Pixellab app. In previous video we have talked about how to install when where you can get and where is available Pixellab, and how to install Pixellab, how to work, and something about interface. In this video tutorial we will design a complete design, okay, for thumbnail. So as you watched in my previous video, we have make a thumbnail design. In this video we will continue it, okay. So first of all we will add text. Please ignore the background noise because there is a lot of noise. So first of all we will add how to become a GFX designer, okay. Now you need to add a beautiful font. So here are some fonts. I'm adding color is white is good, okay. So no need to add more colors. Here you can delete, copy to font to bake. What is to font to bake? If you have multiple layers and you want to select a specific layer to up from all those layers, you can easily do it by clicking this option to font, okay. I'm going to, and there are more options like position, relative position, size, pending, color, texture, opacity, rotate, mask, font, and style, core, and background, align, spacing, line spacing, stroke, shadow, inner shadow, emboss, separative, 3D rotate, 3D text, 3D shadow, and reflection. So sorry, I will add font, okay. There are many font installed from app. If you want to add your own font, you can easily click add, click clicking on my font, and you can add easily from your gallery. Clicking here or clicking here. There are no so I'm sorry, I'm going to select and add and font. So sorry for background noise because there are lot of stupid people in our village, and they are playing songs in the entire day, and I'm settled in a street, and you know what happened in a street. Oh, sorry, don't mute it. Oh, it's not. Okay boss, how to become a graphic designer. It's a good design, and prefer it. And now you can add photo. I want to add it, and click on download this, and this is good. Oh no, this is not good model. I will add one more if I haven't any more photos. So what to do? We will download another photo from Play Store and then we will add. So right here. That's good. Thanks for watching.